Actually, I'm out in a blizzard. 2018. This is what a blizzard looks like. I'm going to show you guys around. You can barely see the sidewalk. The snow so white. Here are the trees from the blizzard. And the trunk. Oh gosh, this is covered in snow. So white. You can barely see the background. Here's our apple trees. Everything is covered in white. Hard to see. You can barely see going straight forward. So yeah, I can barely see. No! Our house roof is covered. Yeah, and it's already this thick. It's thick. Yeah. Where are the camera, Logan?
Hold on. Turn around, babe. Hold still. You guys look, she's got snow on her eyelashes. Yes, it's packing snow. No! Oh, my camera! Goofball. Hey! See? We have a Christmas tree. Well, no lights. We don't put lights on it. Okay. See, look down the street. Normally you could see like the tower and there's a tree, you know, American flag waving down there. You can't see it. It's snowing so hard. Oh my goodness. That looks like a duck or something.
What?
It's a gator head. Ah! Oh gosh. Sorry. I went on my shirt. That was cold. Ah! Ah. She thinks he's so funny. Oh my goodness, I opened the door, look. It's cold. You see the snow going past the light. You can see we got even more snow. About maybe an hour after Lizzie and I did the other thing. And the snow is going and going. Sorry, a little grainy, hard to see. What are you doing, Lizzie? Lizzie! What are you doing? In a blizzard. She's taking a break from helping shoveling. Daddy and David are shoveling out. And see if Daddy can go to work. Just unburied my car. I normally park on the street. But since Mr. Snowplow needs to make the road safe, I need to move my car. So, unburied my car. When hubby gets out, I will relocate my car to the driveway. Thank you to all the snowplow people that shovel our roads and make our roads safe for us. And my goofy daughter who's snowing. A snowman. Deep snow. Look at David's prints. Hi. Say hi. It's cold. He was doing a really good job shoveling Mommy's car out of the drive. Huh. Look at all that. Look at that snow. Got lots of snow. Keep shoveling, buddy. You're doing good. Wow!
Are you all right?
Yes, I'm fine. Thank you. Lizzie did all this, shoveled all this out so Daddy can get out. He still has to go to work tonight. Took yesterday off, but tonight he has to work. And she shoveled all of this, our walkway. She did all that. She did a good job. Okay, now since she's been done working on our pathway, I told her she could work on her snowman some more.
Jerry!
Jerry.
Stones.
Here's a shadow.
He has no face, but
Good job. We got 13 inches of snow. So yeah, they said it was a record in our area. So we got lots of snow. Everything was canceled yesterday and today. I guess there was any activities going on. Stuff was canceled. It was so bad. The roads and stuff were so bad. Even snow plows were getting stuck.
Ditches.
Ditches, yeah, they were in the ditches. It doesn't have to be perfect, you silly girl. Oh, okay. It is.
The dress.
The dress is fine. Very nice. Too bad you don't have anything green. You can make it a green-eyed angel.
Watercolor.
Yeah, we don't have any watercolors though. What you doing now? She's drawing. Oh, you're making a very big paw. Cute. There's a Bigfoot.
Big kitty.
Big kitty.
No, it's not Bigfoot, it's big. It's not Bigfoot, it's big paw.
Oh. Big paw. Paw. Yeah. David's doing one too.
Oh, my board! Oh, come on, that's hard. Oh, God! Hi guys. Yeah, I'm behind a snowboard. Anyway, this is the end of the video, so bye guys. After you see this video, hit the like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, comment down below. And then I want you to check out my website, Lizzie's.live, in case you haven't seen any other videos. Anyway, bye everybody. Konnichiwa.